But they're cheating because they're gonna get food and then try to eat it. Okay, they're gonna eat fries. They're gonna try. I'm gonna have a sundae. They're gonna throw up. I'm okay.
Wait, go tell us. Yeah. Oh, by the way, my mom specifically asked for a picture.
Okay, so the spoon thing where you oh, do it. Do it.
Yeah, but I don't want to blow on it.
Why? Oh, well. I'll wipe it off. Okay. I'll wipe it off. I'm really so anxious. I know. What's the challenge? I thought it was one person. None of us are doing that. No. I like how my Instagram or my Snapchat already. Every time I hear that bell. Every time I hear that bell, like going out. Oh my god.
Kitchen sink has 8 scoops of ice cream, all the toppings, and a whole can of whipped cream.
A whole can?
That's right. Let's give everybody a big round of applause. I will, definitely.
I can't do this.
Already did.
Megan Jacobs, 1998-2018. Death by Kitchen Sink. 1998. Yeah, why? I don't like ice cream.
I literally don't. I really don't.
Oh my god. Oh no, this is not.
Famous chocolate lovers kitchen sink.
They're all.
And a whole can of whipped cream. Oh yeah! Oh, and my new CD runs here said I can roll up to be in the
Can you imagine in something? We should We're going to Hollywood Studios!
Woo, hooray for Hollywood!
Woo! And we are using our blue IDs. Ooh, cute.
There's this girl.
I've never
On the rock that fast someday. It's not right that
I've never
on the rock that fast someday.
I've never
On the rock that fast someday.
I've never
On the rock that fast someday.
Hey guys! So today is my roommate's Bailey's birthday. There's Meg, and sorry for the brightness, I'm standing right in front, of my window, Bailey's window, and we just decorated her room. She's right now going to get shoes, so I don't know.
She doesn't even know what we're doing.
No! So she's getting shoes, so we don't know when she's gonna be arriving, but I wanted to show you around. So we blew up a bunch of balloons. Oh, focus, okay.
I think I'm gonna spread these balloons around more.
I was thinking either to spread them around or put them on her bed. I'm kind of stressing out right now just because
we don't know when she's getting here.
and our other roommate Jordan isn't texting us.
She's not letting us. But no, Bailey, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Bailey.
We love you stressing right now, but it'll be okay. You'll get here and you'll be really surprised.
We love you. Yay! Surprise!
Oh my god, you're so sweet. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Y'all did not have to do that. Oh my gosh, thank you. I didn't even think about that. Like, I've been stressing.
Aww.
United Kingdom. This is my friend Bailey. You've never seen her before, but she's awesome and she's vegan. Heck yeah. Today is my day off, so we are gonna go play. And we had vegan food. I had a vegan donut and a vegan cupcake. And what did you have? I had a chocolate cake and I had a island pitaya smoothie bowl. So good. We did get Jamba Juice and I got a juice. So excited.
I've never
It's not right that
never done I've never
on the road that first someday.
Let's record it. Where we guys going? Trails and getting breakfast! Discount breakfast! So we got breakfast. Hi Bailey! Bailey.
Where are we? We are at the Orlando Farmers Market.
I'm so excited, dude. We walked in and right away we found a grilled vegan sandwich. I am so excited.
We're gonna try some samples to see if it's something that we want to actually get.
I didn't eat breakfast, so
I didn't either.
I think I may eat this for breakfast. Heck yeah. Look at this beautiful cactus.
Don't touch it.
I'm gonna touch it.
I know you are.
It looks soft.
It's not.
Yeah, you can touch it.
Oh, okay.
You can totally pet it.
Oh wait, can you really?
Is it a petable cactus?
Whoa.
This is so satisfying. How much is this?
That's done.
$10.
Maybe one.
Wow.
Dude,
She's always touching.
I need. Is this a real cactus?
Is this a real?
Oh my goodness.
Plastic.
I
why I
need
love it.
this.
They look like little men.
I'm from Arizona, so I need a cactus in my life right now. Oh, he's dancing. He's so fun. Hi.
You make me happy when skies are gray. Put your arm up like this and don't let it down, okay? And here we go. We'll put another one over here. Oh, wait a minute. I think I'll put him up there. Might take that little cap off right there. All right, Chewy, come here.
Oh my goodness.
There's a pretty girl. What you gonna say? What? Hi, who? Say it again. Hi, baby. There you go. All right.
He's gonna load you up.
Okay, now one more on this side over here, okay?
Yes. Oh my goodness.
Just right here. Put that on there because he likes to chew on clothes.
Oh.
Okay, now you chew all you want on this clothes, all right? Rag. Not on the clothes. There you go, guys.
Are you in heaven right now?
Okay, good. There we go.
This is amazing.
All right, Jack. I'm watching now. You don't mess with them sunglasses or no jewelry.
Don't take
You hear me, boy? Look at here. Yeah, okay, all right, okay.
Thank you.
There we go. There's Santana. There you go. All right, there's Hungry. Okay, Chewy. There's a pretty girl. What you gonna say? What you gonna say? Hi, baby. There you go. There you go. All right. Put your head over here like this. Now turn like that, guys.
Oh
There you go.
my
There's your hug now. There's your hug,
goodness.
guys. That is adorable. And then I put this on his back. I call it a piggyback ride. Right here, just like this.
Oh.
There you go. All right, now don't touch him because he squeals. But he kisses if you like kiss.
Oh.
He's my little sun conure I got for the kids that are scared of the big birds, guys.
Hey, excuse you.
Hi, baby.
Those are my clothes.
I got my gun. Bang, 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 bang.
Hi.
All right, chewy good bird. Feel that.
Hello.
Are you eating my hair? What are you doing?
Okay, now, are you happy? All right,
I'm
all
so
right.
happy right now.
Okay, now what we're going to do, we put his head right here, okay?
You are so sweet. Oh
Are you good, boy? Hungry? You want to give her a kiss? Give her a kiss. There you go. All right.
Do it again, do it again, do it again.
Yeah, one more kiss. There you go.
How sweet.
Yeah,
This
he's
is
a good bird,
amazing.
guys. He's a good bird. See there, Mommy? He gives kisses out. Give him a kiss.
Oh. acupuncture thingamabobber done.
Yep.
And it said that I needed to work on my large intestine, my lungs, and my heart because I eat a bunch of carbonated food. We walked past Dave's Killer Bread. He gives me a whole entire loaf sample. I told him no, but he just poured the thing down.
Like, here you go.
Oh my goodness, I'm dead. I'm dying. This is amazing.
She's over here eating bread and I'm like, green juice.
I need to eat healthy. This is why I need to... Oh.
We got corn.
That's what I like.
Yeah, man. I
That's
can
what I
tell.
want.
Hey, roasting that corn. Oh,
wow.
dude,
Oh.
he's, hey. He's like a bartender of corn.
Yeah, man. I'm a corn tender.
Corn tender.
That's people. All they talk about is my tender corn.
Heck yeah, this is good.
Got it, man.
Oh, that is a good picture. Alrighty, we're gonna do a fortune cookie thingy. Alright, 1, 2,
Wait, you do yours that way? I just like crack mine.
Oh.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Aw, cute.
What does yours say?
Share your joys and sorrow with your family.
Oh, mine says you will have no problems in your home. Yo, I don't know. I had some roommate drama like last week, so
Maybe I should probably talk to my family more. I do talk to them though. And there's our vegan.
they are.
Grinder.
I mean, they're not healthy, but they're vegan.
Eh, I know that farmer's market. That was pretty fun. And we just went to a Chinese restaurant. Yes, it was good, it was cute, and it was quiet, like family owned and better than Panda.
Way better than Panda.
Mm-hmm.
It's my guilty pleasure. I get it delivered at least once a month.
Mm-hmm.
And I get like 2 things of fried rice and a whole thing of edamame, and it lasts me like 2 days. 2 days of meals.
Oh yeah. Support local mom and pop shops. Don't support corporates like Panda. There's better places than Panda. Cute.
That explains the trouble.